Hello, ladies and gents. I'm here for the other part of my HSN haul. And I don't know how many of you paid attention. And I was like, But seeing how my other one was jammed and so forth, I went back and forth. No. So I put it on FlexiPay. Look what I got. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see what it is? Do you see what it is? What is it? What is it? What in the world could it possibly be? Does that say Gemini Junior? The Crafter's Companion? Yes. Multimedia machine. Yes, it does. And guess what? They had colors. So I had the anniversary purple one and it got jammed. And I was not happy because that's the second one of these machines that I have purchased where the die got stuck and so forth. So I decided I was going to buy this at the very last minute. So let's see what we have in here. First, we have some plates. Then we have some instructions. I don't need that. Right? We've got some extra stuff in her. So we'll pull that out. And then we've got our machine. So let me see if I can get this out. Let me see, can I get it out? Let me see, can I get it out? Yay, I got it out. So, I'm going to put all this in there for you. So I can move that box out of the way. I tell you, craft day comes and you get all kind. Put that S on there. All kinds of boxes. So do you see it? What do you see? Tell me, what do you see? Are you seeing what is there for this awesome box? And what is new? What? Yes. You see a Teal Gemini Junior. Now, yes. I'm hoping that this is a better quality than the previous one. So we shall see. I will test it out for a little while. And if not, it's going back. We got 30 days. So what is today? If not, it'll go back. So here's our cord. Now I'm not going to do a tutorial because I've done a tutorial on setting it up and all that kind of stuff. I will try to link that below. Plus I have some other tutorials demonstrating the Gemini Junior. And I might do a redo of some embossing stuff, but basically how it works, y'all know that by now if you've been watching my channel. So it comes with these dies, and I want to say these must be media dies because it says extra deep. So these are extra deep ones. So those must be the media ones. Or they had these new dies that would cut with the auto ship for this, that would cut 2 layers of material at once. And these are thicker than these. So maybe if I put them, can you see the difference in depth? These are almost like an Anna Griffin die. Okay, so then they have this, which is a different configuration than what they usually have in their boxes. Now, on the downside, in the previous boxes, if you have these from previous one, you got more items inside the box. Now, they did do something different though, and I'll show you that in a second. So you have some plates, okay? And these are your 6x9s. They changed the magnetic mat with printing on it. Okay. I don't think, I've heard that the quality isn't any better, so we shall see. This is the, what is this? This is the rubber embossing mat. That doesn't look promising. You've got your metal shim, and you've got your plastic piece. And I don't know about that, because if you can tell, it's already bowed a little bit and it's not even used. So, I don't know. Quality, quality. Okay, so that is your basic Gemini. I love this color. I was like, teal or black, teal or black. Because the black looked really sleek and shiny. And I was like, But then I'm like, I love the blues and the teals. They had a cobalt blue, but I'm like, nah. So I was like, ooh, the teal. Teal or black, teal or black, teal or black. I had them both in my cart going, which one, which one? They had the auto ship, so the auto ship. And the thing that they did differently this time too, is usually they ship like the first item of an auto ship with this. And then they didn't do that this time. So you don't actually see what the auto ship die would look like other than that sample in there. Okay, so then what they did do, I guess this was to make up for the items that they took out, was, do you see? Can you see what it is? Can you see? Let's see. What's this? Can you see what it is? You can. Can you see? If I could ever get my other one unstuck, I could take it to work for when I work with the girls. Yes, so they gave you, well, they didn't really give it to you because you do pay for it, but it's like the free extra thing. They gave you a caddy, and I'm very sure it's like as in competition to the Anna Griffin one. Now, let's see. So here is your tape dispenser, and it has this little tape bundle wheel. So there's that. You can put your items in there. And here it's supposed to attach to, let me move this stuff over. It's supposed to attach to your Gemini Junior. And you just take these little feet, and you see the feet, the 3 feet on the bottom, and you just stick them in there so that they will sit in there and kind of, they're supposed to kind of like latch on. So when you move your thing, there's your catty. Yes. And this is supposed to fit on your big machine as well. So they had white ones to go with your general white ones. And then, of course, you got the matching to go with your color machine. So look how cute that is. Now, let's see if we can actually get some stuff in here. So, this front one, I'm going to take this off. Let's see. Here this would be. I've got some glue up here. Let's see. Let me see a roll of tape. Let's see here. I got my goobala. So let's see. All right, don't have a tape dispenser, or tape. So we could get a roll of tape in here. That's pretty good. So I could get 2 of these and still have movable room. Let's see. Will these fit? No, they won't even fit like that. Okay, so that's kind of a no. So you can't really get a sizable tool in there. Let's see. A glue bottle, you could put a glue bottle here. It won't fit in any of the other compartments, so that's kind of sucky. Let's see. A Tim Holtz scissors. All right, if you put them in this compartment here, you can lean them. This one, they'd be falling out. So this isn't very deep. This one you could deal with. You could put them, nope, you couldn't. And you could put them in there like that, but that's kind of pointless. So you could do that. Let's see. You could get your tool of that in there. You could, we could get the bottle of glue in here. You're supposed to be able to put your plates in here. So even though these are Anna Griffin plates, but they're still will fit. So you've got that. I don't know what else you would put in here. Let's see. I've got some, nope, Nuvo drops won't fit. Oh, let's see. Will one of their inks fit? One of their ink pads will fit. So you can put one of their ink pads in here. Let's see. I've got one of these. So anything relatively tall won't fit back here. Let's see. A Spectrum Noir will fit in this back section. So that's good. Let's see. I have this. So you wouldn't put that in the front. Probably put it here or back here. So overall, I would say it's limited in what you can store in it. So therefore, I don't think I would buy this on its own, especially for the price, because I think it was $29 something, almost $30 plus shipping. So yeah, I would probably not buy this on its own. Matter of fact, I know I wouldn't buy it on its own because it's not big enough to store really things that you would need on a regular basis. Like here, it's too short even for a pencil. Like your pencil would be flopping over. So you would have to put something in here that's relatively skinny, like thin. So this would work. This tulip glue. So you'd have to be very careful with what you put in here in the front. You could not get any of your spray bottles in there. So that's kind of, yeah. Okay, so that's my basic general showing you of my Teal Gemini, and hopefully it will be working well, fabulously. So limited edition, and we shall see how that goes. So I hope you guys had fun watching the video and getting a little preview of the caddy, and also that you know, hey, enjoy your day. All right, I shall see you later. Thanks for watching and have a good day.